Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through fixing an issue where your mouse sensitivity changes on its own in Windows 10 or Windows 11. This is a common issue that can be frustrating, but there are several steps you can take to resolve it effectively. First, open the search menu and type Control Panel. When it appears as the best match, click on it to open. Inside the control panel, look at the top right corner and find the View By option. Click on it and select Large Icons. Scroll down, locate Mouse, and open it. In the Mouse Properties window, switch to the Pointer Options tab. Here, you'll find a setting called Enhance Pointer Precision. If it's enabled, uncheck the box. This feature can sometimes cause unpredictable changes in sensitivity. Click Apply and then OK to save the changes. Next, close the control panel and open the search menu again. This time, type CMD. When Command Prompt appears, right-click on it and choose Run as Administrator. If a user account control prompt appears, click Yes to proceed. Now, you'll need to enter a command in the command prompt window. The command is provided in the video description. Copy it and then paste to insert the command. Press Enter to execute it. This will launch the Hardware Troubleshooter. Once the Hardware Troubleshooter opens, click Advanced and ensure that Apply Repairs Automatically is selected. Click Next and follow the on-screen instructions to allow Windows to detect and fix any issues related to your mouse sensitivity. If the issue persists, there's one more step to try. Close the command prompt and open the search menu again. Type Device Manager and select the best match. In Device Manager, find Mice and Other Pointing Devices and expand the section. Right-click each mouse device listed and choose Uninstall Device. If prompted, confirm the uninstallation. Once all mouse devices are removed, restart your computer. After restarting, Windows will automatically reinstall the necessary drivers for your mouse. Most modern mice support plug-and-play functionality, so no manual installation is needed. Windows 10 and Windows 11 will detect and install the required drivers automatically. Following these steps should resolve the issue of your mouse sensitivity changing unexpectedly. If the problem continues, try using a different USB port, checking for Windows updates, or testing the mouse on another computer to see if it's a hardware-related issue. Additionally, if you're using a wireless mouse, make sure the battery is not running low, as that can also cause erratic behavior. You can also try reinstalling your mouse software if you have one installed as outdated or corrupted drivers may contribute to the issue. I hope this guide was helpful. If it worked for you, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.